Hey neighbors, welcome back to Save 10, where we help you save $10 or 10 minutes every single time. Today, I've got something that's going to blow your mind. We're talking about saving up to $600 a year. That's over $11 every single week, just by changing how you do your laundry. That's right, these 10 simple changes could put hundreds back in your pocket. Now, let's break down these laundry savings, and I promise you'll save way more than $10 with these tips. Let's start with our biggest money saver, switching to cold water washing. This one change alone could save you up to $150 per year. Here's why. Heating water makes up about 90% of your washing machine's energy use. Now, I know what you're thinking, but doesn't hot water clean better? Here's the truth. Modern detergents are designed to work great in cold water. You really only need hot water for specific situations, washing sheets and towels to kill dust mites, heavily soiled workout clothes, greasy stains, or when someone in the house is sick. For everything else, cold water works perfectly. Plus, it's better for your clothes. Cold water prevents color fading and reduces wrinkles. Here's a pro tip. For really dirty clothes, pre-treat the stains with detergent and let them sit for 15 minutes before washing in cold water. Now for our second biggest saver, which could save you up to $100 a year. Air drying. Let me show you how to set this up efficiently. If you're working with indoor space, a folding rack is perfect for apartments since you can store it away when not in use. You can also use an over-the-door rack, install a retractable clothesline in your laundry room, or even use your shower rod with hangers for dress shirts and pants. If you're drying outdoors, set up your line in a sunny, breezy spot. Use wooden or plastic clothespins since metal ones can rust. It's best to hang shirts from the bottom and pants from the waistband. Always leave space between items for airflow. To get the best results, shake items vigorously before hanging to reduce wrinkles. Hang heavy items at the ends of the line where it's strongest, and turn dark items inside out to prevent fading. If you're drying delicates or bright colors, keep them out of direct sunlight. And speaking of smart choices, our third tip is about making wise decisions when upgrading or replacing your machines. Energy Star-rated washers and dryers could save you up to $100 per year. When you're shopping, check the Energy Guide label for annual costs and look for rebate programs in your area. Front-loading washers typically use 50% less water. Features worth paying extra for include automatic load sensing, multiple spin speed options, quick wash cycles, and steam features that can prevent the need for rewashing. Our fourth tip is all about load size, and it could save you up to $60 annually. Stop washing those half loads. But here's the thing. You need to know what a full load actually looks like. For a front loader, fill up to the drum's top, leaving a palm's width of space. If you've got a top loader, load items loosely until they reach the top of the agitator. Here's a quick test. If you can fit your hand between the clothes and the drum wall, you're good. But remember, overstuffing is just as bad as underfilling. When clothes are too crammed, they don't get cleaned properly. They come out more wrinkled, and your machine works harder, using more energy. Here's a tip I use. Sort your laundry throughout the week into different baskets. Only run a load when you have enough of each type to fill the machine. This has a time-saving bonus because you also don't have to spend a few minutes each week separating your laundry. Fifth on our list is DIY detergent. This can save you up to $60 per year. Here's my tried-and-true recipe. Mix 1 cup of borax, 1 cup of washing soda, and 1 grated bar of Castile soap. If you want to kick it up a notch, add 1/2 cup OxiClean for stains, 20 drops of essential oil for scent, or 1/2 cup baking soda for freshness. Mix it all together. Use 2 tablespoons per load and store it in an airtight container with a clear label. For our sixth tip, let's talk about dryer balls. These little miracle workers can save you up to $30 per year by reducing drying time by up to 25%. You've got 2 main choices. Wool balls are best for noise reduction and softening, while plastic or rubber ones are more durable and work better for heavy loads. Use 4 to 6 balls for regular loads or 6 to 8 for large loads. Here's a great trick. Add a few drops of essential oil to wool balls for natural freshening. Just remember to replace wool balls every 1,000 loads, or when they start falling apart. And skip the fabric softener. These balls are your natural softener. Our seventh tip can also save you up to $30 per year, and it just involves properly taking advantage of extra spin cycles. Here's how to use the spin settings correctly. Use highest spin speed for towels and jeans, medium speed for regular clothes, and low speed for delicates. That extra spin is especially useful for heavy items like blankets and towels, waterproof items, or when you're planning to air dry. Just remember to balance your loads. Distribute items evenly around the drum to prevent that annoying walking washing machine. Tip number 8 is all about quick wash cycles, which can save you up to $30 annually. These cycles are perfect for lightly soiled clothes, small loads, gym clothes to prevent odors from setting, and refreshing stored clothes. To make quick washes most effective, don't overload. Fill only 1/2 to 2/3 capacity. Use slightly warmer water if available. Add an extra spin cycle if needed, and pre-treat any visible stains. If making your own detergent isn't for you, then our 9th tip is. So let's talk about high-efficiency detergent. This isn't just marketing. It can save you up to $20 yearly. The key is using it properly. You only need 2 tablespoons for a full load. I know, it seems like too little, but trust me. Look for the HE symbol on the bottle and always add detergent before close for best distribution. Never use regular detergent in an HE machine to avoid waste and avoid damaging the unit. And our final tip, proper dryer maintenance. Just cleaning your lint filter before every load can save you up to $20 yearly, but there's more to it than just scraping off the lint. You should wash the screen monthly with soap and water, vacuum the lint trap housing quarterly, and clean your dryer vent annually. Or hire a pro if you're not comfortable doing it yourself. Watch out for warning signs that your dryer needs attention. Clothes taking longer to dry, burning smells, clothes feeling hotter than usual, or visible lint around the door. There you have it, neighbors. These 10 detailed tips could save you anywhere from $265 to $600 per year. That's up to $11.50 every week. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more time and money-saving tips. Drop a comment below telling me which tip you're going to try first. And remember, saving money doesn't have to be hard. Sometimes it's just about making smarter choices with what we already do. See you in the next video where we'll save even more time and money together. Thanks for watching.